What if I told you this specific dashboard, which shows you exactly where AI employees would fit into your business, and these swim lane diagrams were all generated by Claude, and all you have to do is answer a few questions and Claude will generate all of this for you. Not only that, but it gives you a complete roadmap on what to build step by step so you can eventually get AI employees to run 80% of your whole operations in your business. So I went ahead and created a free skill. I call it the AI Employee Map, which you can grab in the link description for free. All you have to do is put in your email and you'll get access to this exact skill where Claude can then map out your business and tell you exactly what to do step by step so you can regain back more time and you can operate your business more efficiently and generate more revenue. All right, so I'm on Claude. So the first thing we need to do is we need to set up a connector that allows Claude to create these visual diagrams, which we're going to be using is draw.io. So if we click on the left side panel over here and we go to customize, we'll be able to see this page over here. So first thing we want to do is we want to go to connectors and then we want to add this MCP called draw.io. So the way we add it was you click on add connector, add custom connector, and then here we can call it draw.io. So this is the exact link you want to copy paste and then we want to add it. Click on add. So I have it already set up, draw.io. So now we're ready. So next step is you need to install the skill. So I already have my skill installed over here called AI Employee Map, but the way they install it, you can click on plus, click on create skill, and then click on upload skill, and then you'll be able to upload the skill once you've downloaded it from clicking the link below. All right, so once you're set, once you have the skill installed, next we're gonna click on this try in chat. And then all you have to do is click on enter or start the chat, and then Claude will progressively interview you about your business. It'll ask you about 12 questions, and within 15 minutes, you will get an output that will show you exactly where you can implement AI employees into your business. So this is an example of a chat I did recently. So I ran the command AI Employee Map. It went through, it asked me all these questions. It will also ask some follow-up questions just to dig deeper so it gets a better context. But it asks me around 12 questions. And then it will let me know at the end, it will give me a diagnosis telling me where I should focus on, what part of my business is dragging me down, what is the bottleneck, and what I should do exactly step by step. So then it will create a draw.io file. You want to click on it. Don't click on open because it will try to open it. Click on this. What we'll do, we'll open up this on the right side. You can go on the drop-down menu over here and click on download this draw.io. Once you download this draw.io, so you can go ahead and save it. Once you save it on your computer, I already have this saved. So next, you want to go to app.diagrams.net, or you can simply type draw.io on your browser. So what you can see is an empty canvas. All we need to do is upload what we downloaded from Claude. So I'm going to click on open from, go open from. I'm going to go to device, and then I'm going to select the draw.io file, and that's going to open up the map. So generally speaking, your business can operate in 4 different levels, which I explained in the free PDF that comes along with the skill, the business owner's AI playbook. So you can go ahead and read that so you can get familiar onto this. I also recorded a 37-minute full breakdown video that explains the 4 levels at which you can operate your business and why you want to get to level 4, which is where AI employees can do all the work for you. If you want that, link in the description as well. But a quick rundown is there's 4 levels. So level 1 is manual. That means you're doing everything yourself. So if you want to scale your business, you need to hire human employees to do the work because all the work is manual. Number 2 is documentation, is when you start having SOPs, you have some tools you're using, and you pretty much can do work faster with tools, but you will still need humans to execute the work. Then number 3 is AI as a tool. That's when you start using ChatGPT, you start using Claude, maybe some prompts here and there that helps you speed up the work. But AI is still not something that's doing work end to end. Then there's level 4, which is a goal for us business owners, which is for us to get AI employees that would do equivalent work that a human would do. So that's level 4. So what the diagnosis will tell you is what level you're at on average in your business, and then what would happen if you were to get to level 4. Okay, so you would gain 8 hours back. For example, here it might be more for you, and the output you'd get is significantly more. And then it will score based on the business system that you have, which is marketing, sales, delivery, and operations. It will score it based on how are you using it. Are you using AI as a tool in that system, or are you actually having AI employees that do majority of the work for you? And then it will tell you your number 1 bottleneck, which is for here, it is delivery. Now, for each of these business systems, in order for AI to operate them, you need to have a skill system. So what a skill system is a chain of skills that teaches AI how to run specific operations in your business. Now, if this is the first time you come across skill systems, I'll link another video on my second channel where I explain that in depth so you can get familiar with that. So the next thing is a swim lane diagram. So the swim lane diagrams will show exactly what does what and who does what. So for example, what do you do as a business owner? What does AI do? What are the platforms that you use? And if you have a team, it will annotate that as well. So this will happen for all 3 or 4 swim lane diagrams that it creates. And then it'll give you some action steps on what to do next for this specific system in your business so you can eventually get to level 4. And it shows a score level over here. So level 3 in marketing, we're using AI as a tool. Now, once you review all the swim lanes, if you want to see a rundown on exactly what to do, you can look at the action roadmap, and this will show you exactly step by step based on prioritization, what to do first. Specifically, first is to cover the first bottleneck, which might be delivery, marketing, or sales, depending what the bottleneck is in your business, and then slowly build up things so you can get to a point where you get full AI automation, or what I like to call AI employees working, doing 80% of the work in your business eventually. So that's the AI employee map. If your goal is to run an AI business that gives you tons of profit, where you do not need to hire human employees and have high costs, where AI employees do the work for you around the clock, and provides you wealth where AI employees do the work for you, and it has an asset that you could use over and over again, and then you can potentially rent out to other people, and provides you freedom where you can do things when you want to and you do not need to constantly work in your business, well then I'd like to invite you to my community called the AI Employee Builders, where I'm going to install with you my AI Employee Builder AI Employee. So it's a meta AI employee. So we'll install it in Claude Code, and my AI Employee Builder will then build out AI employees in your business, whether that's for sales, marketing, content, or whatever process that you have in your business that you can clearly document. We can build an AI employee for that. So how the AI Employee Builder works is that it's going to build AI employees in your business following 4 steps. Number 1, it's going to map out your business. So it's going to interview you and pull out all of the processes out of your head and map it out visually so you can see clearly where AI can fit into your business. Then it will build a skill system, and it will wire in all of the intellectual property, all of the frameworks, all of the tools that you use in your business. An AI employee will be tied into it. And then finally, it will ship it live for you, and it will test and evaluate it all for you. So you do not need to be technical. All you need to know is how to speak English and talk clearly to AI. It will interview and it will build a complete AI employee for you. So if you're interested, I invite you to join my community. Links in the description. I'll be happy to see you inside.